name is CryptoStat and welcome to this video about Time Wonderland. And in this video I'm going to explain what happened, what are the reasons of people going to the Twitter and saying this is a rock, this is not very great for Time Wonderland, and what will happen next probably in the near future for Time Wonderland. But first, like, share, subscribe this video. And I'm not a financial advisor, I haven't been invested in this scheme, Time Wonderland. I want just to say what's the truth and what's the point forward for investors and also founders in this cryptocurrency space. So the problem right now was this 0x Sifu. He was the CFO of Time Wonderland, and as you can see, Time Wonderland offered really nice APY, and it had Daniel Siesta. Daniel Siesta was a very popular developer in Time Wonderland, and first he was defending the price, then meme token fell below peg, and also the Alameda Research dumped $500 million and the peg was below 1 cent. So yeah, pretty screwed in 1 week, and we don't know what will happen next, but he was ousted and replaced from his position, and then he was defending him. People were against that, and he said like give him second chance, his past is the best. But I have saying, fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me. And probably if you fool me the third time, it's probably called 0x Sifu. And yeah, you can read about what happened here in Quadriga X article. I'll put all these articles for you to read it, and also search for the Quadriga exchange on YouTube. This is really nice document of Quadriga CX, and you can see what happened. I hope you like it and share it with your friends, and if you have any comments, please share it below. See you soon. Tell me what you need, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you need, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you need, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me.